Hey, have you heard about the CUI incident that happened in October 2007 in England? Did you know that specific CUI incident led to the release of tons of naphtha to the environment and $15 million financial loss for the company? An 8-inch naphtha line was ruptured due to CUI, and 48 tons of naphtha was released that eventually caused a major fire and explosion at the refinery. Water ingress happened in an area of piping that a walkway support bracket protruded through the insulation of the piping, making a perfect susceptible area for CUI. Now the question is, are you familiar enough with the concepts of general damage area versus a susceptible area of CUI? Is your CUI program good enough to cover all the susceptible area, or at least the majority of them, to look for a CUI in time? We are RBI CUI, and we produce new and interesting courses in regards to RBI and corrosion, the courses that you won't find anywhere else. We have just released the comprehensive course called RBI in Corrosion Under Insulation, and I strongly recommend you to take this course if you are interested in learning more about RBI and corrosion mechanisms like corrosion under insulation, CUI. If you're interested, you can click on the link below, and it will take you to a page that provides you more information about that course. See you soon.